So let's pick up where we left in the last lecture and ask ChatGPT which indicators it would use for a concrete trading strategy. And it first suggests moving averages, Bollinger Bands, the RSI, MACD, and Fibonacci retracements, stochastic oscillators, the volume, of course, yeah, and now it tells us no single one is perfect and you should combine many together and have a good risk management. So now let's say we want a strategy consisting of the first three. So let's ask it to create me a concrete working strategy based on the first three indicators you suggested to me. And it remembers the last three. And also tells us how it would use them. So identifying the trend with a short running and long running moving average. Then confirm the trend using Bollinger Bands. And look for overbought, oversold conditions as a last filter criterion to know when the strategy should be executed. And here, a concrete example for how it's in practice. And again, reminds us about the risk management and also that fundamental factors also play a huge role in this. Great, so now let's have it create a function for that. So let's assume you have maybe a Python trading bot for crypto or whatever, and you just want to have a function or plug in a function that uses that concrete strategy. So let's write create me a Python function that takes OHLC candles as array for input and executes the strategy you gave me in the last response. It uses NumPy and technical indicators library, calculating the moving averages, calculating the Bollinger Bands, calculating the RSI, combining the signals together, using the candles, looking if the close is above the 50 moving average and above the 200 moving average, close below the upper band. Oh, pretty interesting. And it just returns the signals. And as you can see here, it still explains as the function. Pretty awesome. And if you don't like how the function looks or the return values or so, you could just ask it to rewrite it to just deliver one response for the last candle, so you can make the decision in the bot or whatever. But that heavily depends on the environment you're using that snippet in. But yeah, For now, I think that's really great, and it gets you an idea of what ChatGPT is capable to do in this area.